Hello students, today we are discussing the questions based on Kirchhoff law. First question I have taken from NCERT. A battery of 10 volts of negligible internal resistance is connected across diagonally opposite corners of a cubical network consisting of 12 resistors, each of resistance 1 ohm. Determine the equivalent resistance of the network and the current through the battery. First, what is the diagram? This is the cubical network. Battery is connected across the diagonally opposite corner. That is, this is the position of battery. Clear? And resistance of each part, this is cubical network, that is 1 ohm. Then this is A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. Clear? When we solve this problem on the basis of Kirchhoff law, first we start the current distribution. The current distribution is, let this current is 6I. Then this side and this side, the current is equal. 2I and 2I. At this junction point, the I current is here and I current is here. At this junction point, I current is here and I current is here. And at this junction point, I is here and I is here. And this branch, I from this side and I from this side, that is 2I. I from this side, this is 2I. And I from this side, this is 2I. And total current 6I. And battery E. Now the question is, why we have taken the total current 6I? If I consider I current, then I1, I2, I3. Here I4, I5, I6, I7, I8, I9. Then how we can solve the problem? For the real solution, total number of variables must be equal to the number of equations. And it is very difficult to solve 8 or 9 variable in a single or a fixed interval of time. So, for the process of common potential, on the basis of common potential, we consider this problem that the few points are at same potential. For example, this point, this point, this point. Therefore, there are equal current. So, we take in 3I. But here again current distributed equally. So, we take 2I, that is total current 6I. In this distribution, we have introduced only one variable in this network. Clear? Now, take the closed mesh A, B, C, V, F and A. A, B, C, V, F, A. This is the network. Then, according to the Kirchhoff's second law, resistance of this part R, let small r. Then IR for next second law is IR is equal to sigma E. Apply this rule. A to B, I into R. From B to C, 2I into R. From C to this side, no resistance, and here again plus 2I into R, and sigma E, there is single battery, this is B. Or this equation IR, 2IR, 2IR, this is 5IR is equal to V. This is equation first. Clear? Now let the total resistance of this whole network is R, capital R. Then again apply Kirchhoff's second law. That is 6I. Total current of this network is 6I. 6I into R is equal to V. This is equation 2. Then from equation 1 and 2, 6IR is equal to 5I into R, or R is equal to 5 by 6R. This is equivalent resistance. But at the requirement of question, each resistance is of 1 ohm. That is R is equal to 1 ohm. Then the equivalent resistance R is equal to 5 by 6 into 1, or 5 by 6 ohm. This is our first answer. And second, the current through the battery according to the Ohm's law, V is equal to IR, or I is equal to V upon R. V is equal to battery is 10 volt. 10 upon R, this is 5 by 6, or 10 into 6 upon 5, 2, this is 12 ampere. Then the current through the circuit is 12 ampere. This is our answer. Clear? Now the next question is, Now the next question is 12 equal wires, each of resistance R, form a scattering cube. Find the resistance between the corners of the same edge of the cube. Previous question we have studied resistance diagonally. Here the same edge of the cube. Then draw the diagram. This is the cube. Resistance of each side is R, and the battery is connected in this way. Between the corners of the same edge. Then the rule of potential change. Therefore, the distribution is current is not as the previous problem. Here, this is A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. This is battery V, and the distribution is the at this junction point F. This side and this side current is same. but this side is not same current. Therefore, here is different current. In both sides, current is same. Then we have taken the total current 2x plus y. Y is from here and x this side and x this side. Clear? At this junction point, let Z is the current here and here x minus z. And here Z current this side and x minus z current this side. In this branch, current x minus z, this is 2x minus z. And here x minus z this side, x minus z this side. And in this branch, x minus z plus z, that is the current is x. And here x minus z this side and z, this is again x. Total current 2x plus y. This is the current distribution of this network. Then how we can solve it? Take the closed mesh A, B, C, H, A. A, B, C, H, A. Current this side, this is x minus z into R plus 2 x minus z into R plus x minus z into R minus z into R is equal to 0. Here x minus z, 2x minus z and x, this is 2 or 2, 4, this is 4x and 1 or 2, 3, 4 minus 4 z minus z, this is 5z into R is equal to 0, or next step 4x minus 5z is equal to 0. This is our first equation. Clear? Then take the next mesh F, G, D, E, F. F, G, D, E, F. From this mesh, F, this is X into R, here Z into R, and then plus X into R and minus Y into R is equal to 0. This is X and X, 2x plus Z minus Y R is equal to 0, or 2x plus Z is equal to Y. This is equation 2. Clear? Then the third equation. Third equation, closed mesh F E V F F E V F. Simple. Y R is equal to V. This is third equation. And fourth equation, let R is the resistance of this whole network. This is capital R. Then 2x plus y into R is equal to V. This is fourth equation. Now we have to solve these four equations. Let from equation first, x is equal to 5 upon 4 z. Clear? This is the value of x. Then the value of y from equation 2. From equation 2, 2x, 2 into x is equal to 5 upon 4 z plus z is equal to y, or 5 by 2 z plus z is equal to y. This is 7 by 2 z is equal to y. This is again the value of y. Here we have calculated the value of x and y in terms of z. Keeping these two values in this equation, that is 2x 5 by 4 z plus y 7 by 2 z R is equal to V, and from equation 3 this V is equal to y R, and value of y is 7 by 2 z. Clear? Or 5 by 2 z plus 7 by 2 z into R is equal to 7 by 2 z into small r, or multiplying throughout by 2, that is 5 z plus 7z R is equal to 7z into R, or 12 z into R is equal to 7 z into R. Z cancel, and R is equal to 7 upon 12 R. This is the equivalent resistance of this network. Clear? One question is again formed by using the same pattern. Like there is 11 R in this mesh. There is no R in this part. Here Y is no current, then the current is 2x. Then we solve the problem at the same manner as the previous problem. Clear? This is the third problem. If we form the cube by 11 branches and find out the current, find out the equivalent resistance, then we solve the problem in this manner, and same pattern, equation is same, but this y is not here. Clear? Then the next problem is friend, this video is going too long, so we made the next video for next problem. Thanks for watching this video. If any doubt, write in comment box and subscribe my channel for next videos. Thank you.